Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dremel engraving bits are probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop or craft room, allowing you to add personalized touches to a wide range of materials from wood and metal to glass and plastic, unleashing your creativity and transforming ordinary objects into personalized works of art. This detailed review will help you choose the perfect bit for your next project, covering everything from bit types and materials to the best practices for safe and effective use. Number 5. Dremel 105 Engraving Cutter. It's easy to express your creativity with Dremel's versatile engraving bits. They're simple to use and perfect for adding intricate details to your projects. From shaping and carving to engraving and hollowing, it can handle a wide variety of tasks. Let your imagination run wild. It's perfect for detailed material removal. Use it on wood, fiberglass, ceramics, plastic, jewelry, and soft metals. The ball shape lets you create concave cuts and hollows. The tip makes perfectly rounded slots and grooves. With a 1/32-inch working diameter and 1/8-inch shank, it provides precision and control for intricate work. It's made of high-speed steel for durability. It's compatible with most rotary tools that accept a 1/8-inch shank. Get ready to transform your projects. What we like. It's incredibly versatile and simple to use, making it perfect for various engraving tasks. Its high-speed steel construction ensures durability for long-lasting performance. If you're a beginner or need a reliable all-around bit, this is the one for you. What people say. It's really hard to tell exactly how big something is when you're just looking at a picture on the internet, but this was exactly what I expected it to be, and it worked so extremely well for my project. The product pictures didn't really show the tip in as much detail as I had expected, and I didn't fully realize that was squared, well, more triangled. Sharp flat tip that tapers downward towards the shank. These bits will fit dang near any rotary tool or rotating shaft setup, no matter the brand. Number 4. Dremel 7103 Diamond Will Point. This versatile accessory is perfect for intricate work on a variety of hard materials. Its durable design ensures long-lasting performance and precision. It's ideal for adding fine details to wood, jade, ceramic, glass, and even hardened steel. The possibilities are endless. Its unique ball shape allows for concave cuts and hollowing out material, creating unique shapes and designs. Easily create round bottom slots and grooves, or use it for rounded side cuts. Achieve the perfect finish every time. The diamond particles provide quick and efficient material removal, saving you time and effort. It's designed for precision and speed. It's compatible with most rotary tools that accept a 1/8-inch shank size. Simply attach and start creating. What we like. This bit is diamond coated for superior performance and quick material removal, especially on hard materials. Its durability makes it ideal for professional or demanding projects. If you frequently work with hard materials like glass or ceramics, this is the best choice. What people say. It was so easy to control all the dimensions and cut through hard maple like butter. Easily replace tiles by removing grout first. It works amazingly well. The bit lasts for quite a while. I can get through several projects before changing it out. Number 3. Dremel 729-01 Accessory Kit. Transform your Dremel rotary tool into a versatile carving and engraving machine. This kit provides everything you need to tackle various materials with precision. It comes with 11 essential accessories, all neatly stored in a reusable case for easy organization and portability. The kit includes 4 sizes of engraving bits, perfect for adding intricate details to your projects. These bits allow for precise carving on a variety of surfaces. 2 diamond will points provide exceptional hardness and durability, ideal for working with harder materials like glass and stone. 5 silicon carbide grinding stones in various sizes are included for sharpening and smoothing. These are perfect for refining your carvings and removing imperfections. It's suitable for a wide range of materials, including steel, wood, plastic, glass, stone, and ceramic. Your creative possibilities are endless. This kit is a valuable addition to your Dremel collection, allowing you to explore new creative avenues and enhance your existing projects. What we like. This kit provides a wide variety of bits for different materials and applications, offering exceptional value. It's perfect for those who want a complete set to tackle various projects. If you need a comprehensive collection of engraving and carving bits, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The quality is outstanding, each bit feels durable and well made, ensuring precise and smooth carving every time. These are high-quality bits with a 1/8" shaft that will fit all Dremel devices. Perfect for use on wood, metal, and glass. Number 2. Dremel 9929 Engraver Bit. It's the perfect tool to add a personal touch to your projects. With its precision diamond point, you can engrave intricate designs onto a wide variety of materials. From metal and glass to wood and leather, it handles it all with ease. Personalize your belongings or create unique decorative pieces. This diamond point accessory is ideal for decorative engraving and personalization on hard surfaces. It delivers precision and control for stunning results. It excels on steel, chrome, titanium, granite, and other tough substrates. It's built to handle the most challenging materials. It's backed by our exceptional USA-based customer service. Reach out to us via chat, email, phone, or visit our service center in Racine, Wisconsin, if you need assistance. What we like. It features a diamond point for precise and decorative engraving on hard surfaces. Its exceptional performance on tough materials makes it ideal for detailed work. If you're looking for a bit to personalize hard materials like metal or granite, this is the perfect option. What people say. From the second I put this on the Dremel, my results were 1000x better. I was getting very clean precision engravings in some pretty hard metal. Engraved titanium as hoped for and did so in a decent manner. This has been the first engraver I have owned where I can actually see the letters I have engraved without having to repeatedly go over them. Powerful little tool. Sturdy. Number 1. Dremel 9924 Engraver Bit. This carbide point bit is designed for a wide variety of engraving applications. It's perfect for adding intricate details to your projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, it's the perfect tool to bring your creative visions to life. It's versatile enough for many different hobbies and crafts. It lets you create fine lines or deep grooves with ease, giving you complete control over your design. Achieve the level of detail you've always wanted. The durable carbide point ensures long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand even the most demanding projects. It's specifically designed for use with the Dremel 290-01 engraver. Get the most out of your engraver with this high-quality bit. With its precision and durability, it empowers you to create stunning engraved pieces. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. This bit is designed for creating both fine lines and deep grooves, offering versatility in your engraving projects. Its carbide point ensures durability and precision. If you need a bit for detailed and deep engraving, this is the one to choose. What people say. Works great in engraver, swapped out old one. Good for cleaning up fossils. This is a good bit but a little pricey no matter where you buy it because it's a Dremel. I have engraved at least 30 items of steel and plastic and it is as sharp now as it was when I got it. Used the Dremel engraver to identify tools and it worked very well writing freehand. I tried the stencil that came with it but found it hard to control. So far no signs of wear on the carbide tip after engraving about 20 items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.